In this video, let me show you how to download Play Store on LG Smart TV. Having a Google Play Store on your smart TV can provide a wealth of new content, including apps, games, and movies. With the Play Store, you can access a vast library of content that isn't available on your smart TV by default. This article will guide you through the process of installing Google Play Store on your smart TV. Start by going to your TV settings and enabling unknown sources. You'll usually find this under Security and Restrictions. Download the Google Play Store APK file from a trusted website. Search online for Google Play Store APK for Smart TV to find a safe version. After that, transfer the APK to your TV using a USB driver or any file sharing method. Once it's on your TV, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After installation, sign in with your Google account and complete the setup process. That's it. Your smart TV now have access to Google Play Store. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.